This is a 15-minute beginner guitar practice routine you can do daily to see results fast. You can use a plectrum or your fingers whilst playing along with these exercises. I've also made you a free beginner exercise guide you can grab in the description box below. We're going to do a quick stretch and then 8 exercises. So let's start with our stretch. Rotate your hands 5 times outwards, 5 times inwards. Open and close our hands 5 times. Then shake it off and stretch it out. We're ready to begin exercise 1, all 12 frets. So start with our index finger on the first fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we're just going to go from the first fret up to the 12th fret on the low E string with our index finger. Once we get to the 12th fret, come back down. Let's do the same thing now with our middle finger. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our ring finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. And our pinky now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, amazing work. Next up, we have the walk from 12 exercise. Here we're going to start on the 12th fret and walk down using all 4 fingers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're hitting every fret. And now the 10th fret. And the 9th. It's going to be a bit tricky at first. You'll get the hang of it. Up next, we're going to do the same thing on the A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the same thing on the D string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, amazing work. Walk from 12s complete. Exercise 3 is the spider walk ascending. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing work, spider walk ascending complete. Next up we have the basic spider walk. We're going to start it on the 7th fret. Remember guys to grab your free guide in the description box below to practice any of these and more at your own pace. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now moving on to spider walk 2s. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next up we have index downs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we're always coming back to our index finger, going index middle, index ring, index pinky, then moving up a string and repeating. Okay, last one. Now we're going to do the same thing with our middle finger, middle downs, carrying on from the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're essentially going to do the same thing with our ring and pinky fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing work, that's our 15-minute practice routine complete. Thanks for practicing with me today. Remember to grab your free guide in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video.